Gun Doctor here, and this is a Yugoslavian M48A Mauser rifle. It is in an 8mm Mauser. I bought this at a gun show, and as you can see, it is in pretty bad shape. Notice the dings and the deep gouges in the wood. Also, some areas need some bluing. With this video, I'm going to show you how to restore one of these puppies. Watch closely and learn. Don't be a doofus. Before disassembling the rifle, make sure it is unloaded. Then remove the bolt and cleaning rod. Remove the trigger guard. The barrel bands are quite tricky, and I recommend using a mallet, a wooden dowel to get these off. Once the barrel bands are removed, one can remove the upper wooden handguard and the barrel assembly. This is what it looks like when it's been disassembled. There are some views of the rifle stock. One can appreciate some of the deep gouges and dents in this stock. The stock was sanded down using number 60, number 100, number 150, number 220, number 320, number 400 grade sandpaper. This process took me several weeks to accomplish. The stock was then treated with stock sheen and conditioner to fill in the wood grain, and then it was gently sanded. Rifle stock was re-stained using 3 coats of gun stock stain. 24 hours was allowed between each coat of stain. Five coats of true oil finish were applied, allowing 24 hours between each coat. After the fifth coat of true oil was applied, stock was allowed to sit for 1 week. Paste finishing wax was then applied to the stock. Middle parts were cleaned with gun scrubber and crud cutter. Some parts were re-blued, and then all parts were lubricated with barricade. Rifle was then reassembled. This is what the finished rifle looks like. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.